Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Hello to you, hello to you, hello to you, hello to me. Hello, nice to see you, everyone.
Good morning, Jefferson Elementary. How are you? Good. So, my name is Mrs. Norton, and I'm the new principal here at Jefferson Elementary. So I've heard great things about the school, and I've heard great things about all of you. So I'm very excited to be here and join the team. Okay? So, I look forward to a great year together. And there's a few things I want to go over just so we all know what the expectations are and we all know what to expect. So, first of all, we are no longer the Jefferson Jaguars. We are now the Jefferson Junior Raiders. Okay? There are Thank you. There are four, how many? Four. Let me try again. There are four, how many? Four expectations that I and the staff have for you while you're in the school. Okay, number one. The first thing that we expect, your teachers and myself, is we expect you to be safe. So, what does being safe look like? That means we are walking in the hallways. I should not see any of you running unless you're in gym class. When you're in the hallways, when you're in the cafeteria, when you're in your classrooms, we are walking, okay? That also means we're keeping our hands and our feet to ourselves. So we are not hitting, punching, shoving. We are not doing that, okay? We are not hurting our friends. We're not hurting other people in the building. We're being safe. Number two, we are to be respectful to each other. So, that means we're not breaking other people's property. So you're not going to go to your friends' desks and take their things and break them, okay? We're not doing that. That also means that once you're in school, we're not wearing hats, we're not wearing hoodies, and we're not wearing jackets once you're in your classroom in the building, okay? We are treating each other nicely and with respect because we are a school family. So we are going to help each other learn and be successful while we're here. So we're going to work together so we can help each other. Okay, number three, be responsible. So that means unless you're sick or you have an appointment, we want to see your bright, smiling faces each and every morning as you walk through the doors. Okay, we look forward to seeing you every day and working with you, doing lots of fun and new things. Also, please, if your teachers ask you to do something, please do it and complete the assignments that you're given. Okay? Number four, lifelong learners. So we are a school family, and the expectations that we come to school every day, ready to learn, and ready to help each other learn as well. Okay? If you choose to make a poor decision, there will be consequences. Consequences will become more severe if you continue to make poor decisions. So I hope every day that you all make good choices and choose to follow the expectations. All right? I hope all of you have a great day today. I hope all of you make good decisions every day. And I look forward to seeing all of your smiling faces every morning. Okay? So have a great day. Okay, good morning, Jefferson Elementary. How are you? Very good. All right. So, my name is Mrs. Norton. And I'm your new principal, so good morning. I've heard great things about the school. I've heard great things about all of you. So I'm very excited to be here and join the team. There are a few things I want to go over before we leave here. So number Number one, we are no longer the Jefferson Jaguars. We are now the Jefferson Junior Raiders. Okay, that's number one. Number two, your teachers and myself and all the adults in the building, we have 4 expectations for your behavior while you are in school. So I'm going to quickly go over those 4 expectations. Number one, when you are in school, I expect, and we all expect you to all be safe. So that means we are not pushing, shoving, hitting. We're keeping our hands and our feet to ourselves. Okay, we are walking in school. I should not see you running unless you're in gym class. It's expected that we are all going to work together to keep everyone safe and look out for each other. We are a family. Okay, that's what families do. Number two, we expect you to be respectful. So what does that mean? That means that I should not see any of you intentionally breaking anyone's property or vandalizing any property. You need to treat your property, your friend's property, the school's property with respect. Okay? When you are in school, no jackets, no hoodies, no hats, please, unless you are told otherwise. If it's a special day, we will let you know. But otherwise, you are not to have those things on during the school day. There should be no inappropriate language, no inappropriate designs, or anything that promotes violence on your clothing. Please dress appropriately for school. We all know what you should and shouldn't wear, okay? When you're asked to do something by any adult in the building, please do so. Please do so the first time you are asked. Bullying, including cyberbullying, I'm telling you right now, we are not tolerating it at all whatsoever, okay? So it's expected that you're not going to be a part of that behavior. We're treating each other nicely with respect, we're looking out for each other, we are helping each other. There is no place in that equation for bullying or that kind of behavior. Number three, be responsible. Unless you are sick or have an appointment, we all want to see your smiling faces each and every morning. Okay, we look forward to seeing you every day. We look forward to learning with you and doing wonderful things. Okay. Please complete your schoolwork as you are asked to do so by your teachers. Cell phones. While you are in the building, while you're on school property, they are to be off, put away. If you are seen with a cell phone during the school day, you'll be asked to put it away. And you are expected to do so. Okay? Number four, lifelong learners. Again, we are a school family. That means we help each other. That means we keep each other safe. And that means we look out for each other. We come to school ready to learn every day and ready to help each other as a team. Violence or any possession of any weapon will not be tolerated at all. It's a zero tolerance policy. So, okay, just so you know. If you choose to make poor decisions, I hope you don't. If you do, consequences will follow. The more poor choices you make, the more severe the consequences will be. All right? You, in this building, you are the older students, so you are role models for the younger students. They are going to be looking up to you and looking to you for examples of how to behave. Please set a good example for them to follow. So show them what it looks like to walk in the hallways. Show them what it looks like to help each other. Show them what it looks like to follow the rules. Okay, you are the role models for the younger students. Please act like it, and please give them good examples to follow. They're going to be watching you. All right? So I look forward to a great year with all of you, and I look forward to seeing your wonderful faces every morning, and I hope you all have a great day.
Hello, nice to see you.